What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to show you a few hidden features in your newer F-150 that you maybe didn't know about. In this case, this is a 2023 Ford F-150 with the XLT trim, so let's get into it. Okay, so in this video I'll show you two hidden menu in your F-150, in your newer F-150. This one is a 2023. So the first one is an engineering test hidden menu here in the dash, and it's very useful. I will show you in a second. And the other one is through the screen, but the first one here is the diagnostic or engineering test menu that you can access through this screen right here. Now to access it, what you want to do, you want to hold the OK button and turn the ignition on while keep pressing the OK button. In some setups it may be on the other side, but anyway, look for the OK button and then hold it down and turn the ignition on at the same time. So I will hold this down and turn the ignition on at the same time. Okay, so I will hold on the OK button and reach and turn on the ignition and keep holding the OK button right here. And there it is, engineering test mode. Now you can use these arrows to scroll through it. If you go down, you'll see how many useful information. So there's a gauge test. It does a full sweep on the gauges to make sure they work properly. And then you can go down. It does a color test. A bunch of part number information. Usually for the regular owner, these may not be very useful. You go down. You can skip all of that. Manufacturing information. Display of all DTCs. Apparently this one has a history DTC. DTC is a diagnostic trouble code. This one apparently has one. This one has only 5,000 miles, but it has one, but it's history, it's not current, so I'm not worried about it. Oh, it show you vehicle speed in kilometers and miles per hour. You can go down tachometer in RPMs, fuel level. Okay, there is more useful information down in there. Okay, there it is. Coolant temperature in Celsius. You can see actual numbers. I love numbers, so I want to see numbers. Engine failsafe, cool mode, transmission temperature in numbers too, in Celsius. Turbo boost. This truck is the EcoBoost, so it has a turbo. You can monitor the boost for diagnostic purposes. Odometer, trip A and trip B. The statistics, how much fuel has been used. The battery voltage, this is very important for if you have an alternator issue or whatever. Okay, and that's it. This can be very useful to anyone who's trying to troubleshoot or diagnose something. Yeah, so there you go. Okay, so the second hidden feature is in the screen. There is a hidden settings menu. This screen has the Sync 4 software in it. Now to access this menu, you gotta hold the skip track on the radio and on the steering wheel. So I'm gonna set this here. Hold the skip track here and here at the same time until that menu shows up for about 5 seconds or so. Okay, it does a speaker test first, speaker walk around, and then there is all the diagnostic settings that you can access. Now you can pull codes, actually trouble codes, from the TCU, the transmission control module, the APIM, which is, I believe, they relate to the screen and the center console, and you can pull codes. You don't even need a scanner, which is very helpful. Now in here, if you go to APIM, you can access all the settings for the screen. You know, touchscreen activation, display, test pattern, RGB. You can change the resolution. You can check the software version. As I said, mine has the Sync 4. Now I will go back, and you can go, let's say, AHU diagnostics, TCU, which is transmission control module. You can look at many different things. Actually, I'm gonna look at the TCU because the transmission is not very hasn't been very smooth. Okay, anyway, yeah, you can look at so many things. Testing settings is related to all the screen stuff too. You can change the resolution. You can change. You can look at the software version. Here it says mine's Sync 4, and so on and so forth. So this is the screen, the settings menu that you can access. And there you go. This is the 2 hidden features in your Ford that you can access, and hopefully these will help you do something or diagnose something with your Ford in the future. If you didn't know about any of those, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe down there, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.